All right, here we are with box number two, Golden Era. And I did weigh, and this is going to sound super dorky, but I did weigh these boxes. And the heaviest one I opened first. So some of them come with extra packs in them, and that's where the most valuable cards are. And all my boxes were probably on the lighter side, so I don't think I got any of the golden packs. Yeah, just five in here. When you're opening up, you're looking for a sixth pack, and that's where the valuable cards are. So don't think I got any of those, but here we go. Box number two. Oh my gosh, this sucks. Another Cole Radalin. Yeah. Cole Radalin. How many of those are we going to get? Here's a weird one. How about a David Wiggins Jr., local Louisiana guy? Not rated too differently than I am, even though he can throw 300 feet further. Here's a fun one. How about a Philo out of 50? That's cool. Uh, God, these autographs. What is this? Holland Handley. So I've heard of her. I don't think I've ever seen her play. She's been moving up the leaderboards this year. Yeah, not somebody I have anything against, but not the ideal signature. All right, I'm going to display my ignorance. I don't even know who this guy is. Ryan Weberger. Seems like somebody Kevin Pelton's probably friends with. Let's just all be honest with ourselves. Pack number two. That pack was terrible. Need to see some fire out of this one. All right. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I saw three cards already. They're all girls. First one up. This one goes out to Chris Zagone. Sarah Hokum. Actually, it's out of 25. Not a bad card, but Paige Shue. Another one. I'm not even sure if she's touring right now. I think she's momming it up and plays a couple of local tournaments. Out of 75, your one-time champion. Here's my signature, a Chris Clemens, 50 out of 50. It's actually kind of cool. Not a top 10 golfer, probably in the top 30. Um, Again, you'd hope for a little bit of a better. Ian Anderson. That's funny. I used to really like Ian Anderson when he was Central Coast. He's all right. And then my last is a Valerie Montana. I'm gonna have all the Cole Radalin cards. That's two, I would say, stinkers in a row on the packs for this box so far. So if I can get something other than an iconic autograph, I think those are one of the lower ones. Okay, shut up. How about another Cole Radalin? Ugh. Out of 100. How about? Oh, I might have got a really good card, y'all. How about a Christine Jennings? Ugh. All right, the next one says royalty, and if I'm not mistaken, royalties are one out of 127 packs. So if this is right, this is a really good pull. Who'd we get? Ooh, how about a signature Ken Climo and a Lane King? One out of five. That's definitely the best card I got yet. Ken Climo and a Lane King. Wow. Out of five. Let's go. 1991. So these were the men and women's world champions in 1991. That's awesome. One of five. All right. Got a cool Philo, the Iconics version. 69 out of 100. And then here's actually a dumb card. I don't like these historics, but this is a guy I'd like to get more cards of. Gannon Burr, I think, is going to be quite possibly the best disc golfer ever. If he keeps playing, he keeps going. He's so young. His mental game is so strong. Incredible talent. So, man, two stinker of a packs, and then I just got a home run with that. Great card. Might be worth a little money. All right. Let's see how many more women golfers we can get. What is going on? Oh gosh, right off the bat. All right. Cameron Todd out of 100. Cameron Todd's old school golfer. You don't know who he is. He's been around for a minute. Number 2, Mason Ford. The red ones are out of 75. So this is my second Mason Ford. First one's definitively better. Oh gosh. At least it's an Iconics gold. Another Holly Finley. What am I gonna do with a Holly Finley autograph card? Oh goodness. The next one I got is an Andrew Presnell. He's been playing a lot better golf lately. Came in strong last year. And then big card at the end. How about how about a Haley King, everybody's favorite women's golfer? One more pack. All right, so we've had one good pack out of one good card actually out of all these. This is that one royalty. The rest of these have been pretty poor. Jeez, every time I open, I see immediately a women golfer on the back. I just go, come on. All right, here we go. No way, a Scott Stokely. Didn't know he was getting the treatment in this one. I guess if Brian Schweberger's in here, Scott Stokely can be too. Another Nicholas Antela. I swear, if I have another women's golfer for my autograph, ooh, I think I got a good one. Oh, Juliana Korver and Des Reading dual autograph. That's pretty cool. Reflections. Those are pretty rare as well. Reflections are one out of every 8 packs. I guess that's about normal. This 12 of 25. That's sweet. Another women's autograph. Man, I'm just hitting home runs with women's autograph. Here is a black out of 25 James Conrad. Don't mind getting a few of those. He's a great golfer. Get him to sign that next time he comes through town. And another woman for good measure, Ellen Scoggins. Here's what I don't understand. There are not as many women's golfers as men's, and I feel like I'm getting more women's cards than men's. It doesn't make any sense. One more box.